Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share this stunning super duo beaded necklace crafted with vibrant seed beads, sparkling crystals and a beautiful spiral rope design. It's elegant, colorful and perfect for adding a touch of handmade charm to any outfit. Stick around as I walk you through the details and show you how this piece comes together. So first we are going to have a look at the material that is being used. These are super duo beads and we will require approximately 8 grams of each color. I am going to take 3 colors. So if you are going to use a single color, you need 24 grams or 300 pieces approximately. To be on a safer side, you can take 310 pieces. So here I have taken 3 colors of super duo beads. And now let's have a look at these sparkling crystals. These are 4 crystals. We need 310 pieces of these two, almost equal to the number of super duos we are using. Here are some 15 seed beads. I am taking the gold one. So this is all that we require, and I am going to weave them with 0.20 mm fishing line and a size 12 needle. So here we have everything at a glance, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have taken one super duo, one 15, one crystal, one 15, and I have taken 3 sets. Tie a simple knot, a couple of them, and you have to keep a tail of around 20 centimeters because we are going to come back and work with that tail for adding the clasp. So keep 20 centimeters tail. So now after securing it with a couple of knots, it looks like this. Now go through the other hole of the super duo. Now our thread is coming out of the purple super duo. So pick a purple super duo, a 15 crystal and a 15, and go through the next super duo, the upper hole. So basically we have to continue doing this. Pick the super duo of the same color as the thread is coming out. So now here we have the turquoise super duo. So we are going to pick a turquoise super duo and go through the next super duo. So in this way you have to continue. Now here you have to go through the second super duo, the one which we had added in the previous row. In this way we are going to build the rope by stepping up. Isn't it easy? You have to just remember to keep the tension right, because if you keep it loose, then the super duos will be away from each other and that won't look good. See how beautifully the super duos are stacking against each other. So we are going to continue in this way. And I tell you friends, this rope is very easy to make and builds up really quickly. Within no time, you will see that your necklace is ready. You can also make a bracelet out of it. So it's all up to you. You can make a long necklace, a short necklace, a bracelet, Just go on adding units and you are done. So just go on adding units and see how the spiral grows and how beautifully the super duos are stacked against each other. Now we have a couple of more super duos to be added. We are almost done. I have used a total of 100 super duos, each color. Now to finish the end, pick up one 15 crystal and a 15 and go through the next super duo. Now we are not picking up any more super duos. Another set of 15 and crystal and go through the next super duo. So we are almost done. And now pick up one 15 just one 15 and go through the next crystal. And now we have to go around once again to secure the end point. So just go around. It's nice and tight. And now you have to exit from a crystal. Pick up 12 15s and go through the next crystal. I'm going to repeat this 2 more times so that I have a total of 3 loops. Again I have picked 12 15s and go through the next crystal like this. And once again here we have 3 loops. Now go through 7 seed bead. We have come out from the 7th seed bead. Now again count and go through the 6th and 7th seed bead. That means we are going through the top center seed beads, 2 seed beads. And the 2 seed beads from here also, 6th and the 7th. Go through the first 2 seed beads once again. So the thread is going through 6 seed bead on top of each loop. Now you have to take one head pin and a crystal like this and insert it into this space and pull the thread tightly. Be careful about the head pin. It might slide inside, so just hold it properly and then go through this and secure it. I'll tie a couple of knots and then trim the tail. Going through a few more beads. That's it. You can add a bead or a crystal here, like this. Trim the excess pin, and then we are going to make a loop over here. So this is our loop. Now just twist it a little bit, and you can add the extension chain and the lobster clasp, or whichever clasp you feel like you can add over here. And the rope is ready. On the other side I have added the extension chain. I hope you loved this necklace as much as I loved making it. Thanks a ton for watching. If you enjoyed this, give it a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss my next video. See you soon. Till then, take care.